What are you thinking, baby?
Yeah, eyes are open.
I know. Can you see your Uncle Marcos?
Your eyes open a lot right now.
Do you want to wave hi?
I think it's the voices. She doesn't even trust
It's
me.
like, I heard you guys talk before. Let me see what you look like. Check me out.
Oh, so you're the one who
Whoever
sounded
else
like
looks
that.
like. So you look like that? I didn't know you look like that.
Yeah, you Marcos. Then you go over to this. Hey, look
Are
this
you a
way.
burpee?
Look this way, girl.
You got some burps?
She's hungry, bro. Okay. Yeah.
Is she doing that again?
She's moving her mouth a lot.
You know who she reminds me of is Belinda's baby.
Oh,
Brady.
because of the glitz and the light skin.
Yeah, something about the shape of her face.
You're too
Well, Brady's a little pretty voice, I guess so.
You want to let your school know so that let your students know that you already had your baby?
Yeah, I'll let them
You
know.
should
They're
remember
on
them.
vacation right now.
Oh yeah, they're on their winter break.
Yeah. They had this week off and then they go back Monday.
He said, wait, and send pictures to the...
Mm-hmm.
So this is really nice.
You're a baby.
Yeah.
Look
You're
up.
not very camera
Lift
shy.
your head, girl.
Ooh, what are you thinking? Hey, who's that? This is, what do you see this?
What is that?
Oh, bless you.
Oh, did that scare you? It's okay.
That's great.
It's okay.
Well, now you're ready to go back to
Oh,
sleep.
that was a lot of work, huh? Yeah, good night. That was hard. Oh, that's too cute.
Where's Margaret with her kids?
There's
Yes,
a
ma'am.
waiting room.
Where?
In the
There's a
waiting room?
Teeny waiting room right outside of the main doors.
Oh, downstairs?
No, right here.
Oh, shit.
You know the door that you have to get permission to go into? Right before that door. Oh, two sleepy babies.
Let me go to the waiting room. It's on this floor, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
If you make a left through the locked doors, it'll be to your right.
I don't have